All right, here's a little video of what I've done over the last few days. This is a radiant barrier. I added this to the ceiling, and I added a board here so that not only so people can crawl out, but also it holds it in place. This was here before, but it was demolished by a raccoon or something that got up here. So I think if something gets up here like a raccoon or whatever, that the boards will help hold it in place a little bit. So more radiant barrier over here. Over here. See back there. All the way back there. I didn't get as far back there, like I need to do that a little bit. But let's see. All that has radiant barrier on it now. It's over there too. I didn't get this little bit here. I have to custom cut that. I don't know where it is, but I'll have to custom cut a piece. And again, this was already here. This was here, but it was all torn up. So this is where I've got the spare pieces. You can kind of see there's a little bit more to do. So over here, there's a little bit more, and over here, there's a little bit more. But if we crawl over here, you will see more radiant barrier over there, all over there, all back there. I just have to get this section right here, this section. You see how it's kind of wadded up there, wadded up here. That's how it was. So what I've been doing is unfolding it and stringing it out through the rafters. And it's not done over here, but that's the smallest part of the house. It's done over here. That's even done a little bit too far. The carport stops right there, but I need to do something else with that. However, all of this is still folded up, extra stuff. That's what I've done over the last few days, and it's made about a 4-degree difference inside. I've also sealed this, so you can maybe see all this tape right here. Well, suffice it to say, there's tape all over this thing now. I did all the tape because it wasn't functioning properly. So now this thing is blowing a lot harder, and rerouted this right here to be more efficient. This vent right here was leaking into the attic. There was a hole in it. I could fit my hand inside the hole. I mean, seriously, if I did this with my hand, I could fit it in the hole. So we had to have that changed out yesterday. That has helped a little bit. And there's another vent over there that had the same thing. I touched the vent and it was so old it just disintegrated. So changed those out and did a few things up here in terms of radiant barrier. Gosh, that was a lot of work. Well worth it. Oh, that guy didn't put the radiant barrier back, did he? Well, I might have to go check that out.